trobo a la ciutat de Darwin, al nord d'Austràlia, i aquí hi ha aquesta botiga que es diu National Flags, banderes nacionals. I segons prometen, tenen totes les banderes del món. Anem a comprovar si és veritat. Mireu què hi posa aquí. I've got your flag. Tinc la teva bandera. A veure si és cert. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Right, I've seen outside that you have all the national flags in the world.
No, I haven't. I've got some, not all.
Some, okay. But my nation is Catalonia. Do you have the flag of Catalonia?
Of course, I have it in my hand.
Wow, that's amazing.
Why?
That's the starry flag. The starry flag, it's not the official one, it's the independence one.
So is there a problem?
No. It's amazing that you have it so far from Catalonia. Very well, very well. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.